Good morning YouTube friends, it's me again. I'm just going to do a quick little project, take about 10 minutes, and it's going to help the birds massively because, you know, we've had quite a bit of cold and we're going to have more cold, and I love to see the birds with a bit of food out there. So I've saved some of these orange peels. I've got 4 of them, and they've got a little hole in the bottom from when I took the pith out the middle, which I want. So yeah, I've got 4 of these. So what I'm going to do, I've got myself a little tiny thin screwdriver there, and I've already put some holes in the edge, I don't know if you can see, with some screws, and I'm going to thread this through the holes, hopefully. So let's have a go with the first one. Well, I've used this and I can push it through, you see, which should be perfect. So it's perfect, it's come through the other side. So I'm just going to tie it. If you can hear the dogs in the background fighting, it's typical when I make a video, they start playing. But anyway, so that's the first side. Now you can do this with anything really, couldn't you? You could do it a smaller version of sort of lemons or any grapefruit, any peel like that, and it doesn't cost you anything really. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is take it outside and we'll hang it in the tree. So this is our little cherry tree, so I think I'll put it on here actually, because the branches are nice and good. So do it a bit further down because it's catching on there. That's one. I'll put them all on and show you. So they are. It looks quite festive actually. With looks like big tangerines hanging on the tree. But anyway, yeah. So I've put them on there. I'm just going to get the bird seed. I've got this tub of bird seed I got the other day, so I'm going to fill it up with that. There you are. There's one. So if you want to make one of these, it'd be great, wouldn't it? A little tip of where to put it. I'll show you a couple of pictures that happened to me last year. I'll put them in now. And that'll give you reason to think, oh, you know, I won't put it there, or I will put it there. But anyway, I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and a like and a share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.